Everybody says if you consume more, you're happier. But that's not the mark of a very thoughtful person.
But history's seen...
For more than 25 years, Rick Steves has hosted the most popular travel series on PBS.
all over Italy. Escape the heat and the crowds by sightseeing late in the day.
He's also earned a fortune with his best-selling European travel guides. But money, as they say, isn't everything, which is why we're meeting here.
When you walk down this sidewalk, what do you see?
I see mothers that have hope.
This is Trinity Place, a housing complex Rick has owned since 2005. Its residents are 24 struggling women and their kids who need the kind of services the YWCA provides.
I'm afraid some of these residents would be homeless.
Edmonds Rotary Noon Club keeps the property up.
They've reunited mothers and children. That's a big, big, big deal.
Yeah, it's been a godsend, honestly.
A year ago, Tamara was homeless, recovering from addiction, her kids in foster care.
It means being able to have my kids with me and be able to raise them and be a mom again and get my life back on track.
Moms have big hearts because love dominates their outlook, and they've got kids in their laps. There's got to be a way to support them.
Rick figured the complex would make a great retirement nest egg. In the meantime, he could do a lot of good.
I get huge joy out of going to bed thinking, hey, I'm helping house 70 people that would be in cars or in motels or in people's basements scrounging around.
He'd always planned to will Trinity Place to the YWCA, but the other day, Rick changed his mind. He's donating his nest egg, the complex, right now, while he's alive.
I don't think it's particularly, loving or saintly to house people. I just think it's enlightened. I want to get a return on my money.
Sometimes wealth can't be measured in dollars and cents.
Am I doing okay? I'm just doing my very best.
Rick's investment is in people, community, and he says it couldn't be more rewarding.
To think about when I found this place, it was just a moldy, haunted house. That's what it was. It was a moldy, haunted house. And I just thought, man, there's God in that mold.
There's just so many colors.
No matter how many times you see this, it's still red. Is it time to tiptoe through the tulips? Actually, that's not allowed.